Made it to Silver Fern Hotel. This is our room. Nice room. Well, living room area. Dining area right here. Upstairs, yep. There's a room right here with a balcony as well.
Quite cool, eh?
Oh yeah, here it is. Super Fern.
Pretty good actually, yeah? This?
Yeah, it's very good actually. Yeah. And here's more double beds right here. 2 single beds.
Pretty good, man.
Yeah. And this side as well. Room with the balcony on this side. And here's a TV. TCL. Balcony view. Oh look, this is connected up together to this side. Single shower. Nice room. There's even a second story. All the rooms are in apartment. Stairs a bit creepy but creaky. Pretty good. Nice shower area. Master.
All good, boys?
Yeah, good.
Right.
Set.
So where are we? Silver Fern, right? It's a pretty good deal, eh? This one, 3-bedroom for 6 people.
6 people, yeah.
Pretty good.
And then our bedroom. Pretty good. You got the view out there as well. Nice, nice. It's gonna be us for the next 2 nights. You can see our vent there as well. Good old Highlander.